Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display inner pages and assign corresponding templates in your Shopify website. This will help you create different pages for your website, such as About, FAQ, Contact, etc., and customize them with the right templates. First, you need to create new navigation menus for your website. To do that, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Navigation on the left side. Here you can see the menus that you have on your website. If you don't have any menus yet, click on Add Menu to create a new one. If you already have a menu, click on it to edit it. Now, you can add menu items to your menu. Click on Add Menu Item at the bottom. Give a name for your menu item, for example, About. Then, you need to link this menu item to a page. But we haven't created the page yet, so for now, just type a hashtag symbol, in the link field and click Add. Do the same thing for another menu item, for example, FAQ. You can add as many menu items as you want, but I'm just going to add 2 for this video. After adding the menu items, click Save Menu. Now, if you go to your website and refresh it, you can see that your menu items have been added to the header. But if you click on them, they won't take you to the right pages. That's because we haven't created the pages yet. So let's do that next. Go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Pages. Click on Add Page to create a new page. Give a title for your page that matches the name of your menu item, for example, About. This will make it easier for you to find the page later. You can also add some content to your page if you want, or leave it blank for now. Then, on the right side, under Online Store, you need to select a template for your page. A template is a layout that determines how your page will look like. I have created an About template for my website, so I'm going to select that one, then click Save. Do the same thing for another page, for example, FAQ. Give it a title that matches the name of your menu item and select a template for it. I have created an FAQ template for my website, so I'm going to select that one, then click Save. Now we have successfully created 2 pages for our 2 menu items, but we still need to link them to the navigation menu. To do that, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Navigation again. Click on the menu that you want to edit and click on Edit next to the menu item that you want to link. In the link field, search for the name of the page that you have created, for example, About. You will see the page appear in the results and click on it to select it, then click Apply Changes. Do the same thing for another menu item, for example, FAQ. Search for the name of the page that you have created and select it, then click Apply Changes. After linking all your menu items to their corresponding pages, click Save Menu again. Now if you go back to your website and refresh it again, you can see that your menu items are working properly and taking you to the right pages. And that's how you display inner pages and assign corresponding templates to your Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.